Hello everyone, I'm Mr. Tegan and today I'm showing you how you can mirror your Android or iOS phone to your PC. This works for both Mac and Windows PC. So what you want to do is download this app, Airdroid, which you can find on their website, airdroid.com. We are downloading the personal. They have different types of programs like Airdroid. This is the personal one, and this is the cast if you just want to cast your screen. But we are downloading this, so get started, download now, and here you have Android, iOS, Windows, Mac OS, and you can also use the web application. So here, I have already downloaded the program for Windows, so I'm just gonna use that. And here you have different options. You can share files and you can control your device. So what you want to do when you have this app is just log in to your user on both your devices, and when both your devices are logged on the same user, you get some options like remote control or just mirroring, which works fine. You probably have to accept some stuff on your phone, some pop-ups. So this is how it looks on my phone. You can start recording if you want to record it. You can pop it out like this, so you get a bigger screen. And if you want, you can also share some files. This you can also do on, let me see if we go back to the phone. If you click Airdroid Web, so you see this HTTP and some numbers. If you go to this address on your browser, and accept on your phone, then this is your phone just in the browser. So you can transfer files easily and do whatever you want. So that is both screen sharing and file sharing if you want. This is one of the reasons I love Airdroid. It makes it much easier to just share stuff between your PC and phone. So yeah, that's it for this video. If this helped, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!